In this video, let me show you how we're going to change the reminders list on your Mac widget, right? So as you can see, I have the widget set up on the left, and I have a couple of them like the weather and reminders is right in here. So currently it is showing me 8 reminders. And it is like marked in the orange color. So naturally I can click on it like this and mark it as complete. But the point is that I can right click on it and make changes to it. First of all, I can make it smaller or really large. That's the first thing I can do, but I can most definitely click on edit the list like this, which is going to let me choose the reminder specifically that I want to show up in there. So as I said, it was the orange one from my iCloud list, as you can see. But I can as well click on the blue reminders or birthdays, right? Or something else that I want to be reminded about. For example, the today view, right? So that's like the default option. So what's really going on today? We have John, a daily reminder, and 2 examples. So quite a busy schedule right there. But as you can see, that's how you can edit this and decide to show something else. For example, we have flagged, or, shopping is another one I created myself. So I need to get a coffee, right? And that's how you can manage it and be productive on your Mac, especially with the widgets. So let me know if you managed to edit your reminders list on the Mac. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.